Hey guys, welcome to Dab's Life. Today we are not talking about tech specs, rather we are talking about something equally important. You see, every man is a king, but not every king owns a throne, especially a throne that can do this. Can you do this? Look, we all deserve a decent throne, right? But sometimes our options fall short. Enter this relic from anti-sports. Leaning on this thing is like playing Russian roulette with your spine, and the assembly, that's a whole nother story. And hence I upgraded to the Sleep Company's XGen Pro gaming chair. I went with grey because in all honesty the all black is just a bit too boring for my liking. Now then, let's talk about its features. The prominent feature about this chair that's marketed everywhere is its SmartGrid technology cushions, but let me tell you, it does make a difference. Sinking into this chair feels like sinking into a buttered croissant. It just practically molds into your body and is better than memory foam. The second feature about this chair is its 180-degree tilt, allowing you to practically transform it into a sleep station. The third feature about this chair is its 4D adjustable armrest, giving you full control over its firm yet flexible design. The final feature about this chair is its leg rest, which is a good option to have. The assembly process was super quick and they had even sent an individual over from their side just to get it assembled. So what are a few things I didn't like about this chair? Well, first things first, even though this chair has extremely comfortable pillows, they are not adjustable. They could have easily given us a magnetic mechanism, for instance. Secondly, the back would have been wider to accommodate guys like me. And lastly, the armrest needs to lock in place better for when you are inevitably gamer raging. It honestly feels like I'm nitpicking with its flaws, but given its price, I almost have to. If the price was lower to accommodate its flaws, it would have been an easy 10 out of 10 recommendation from my side. Either way, that's all for today. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. One sub equals one less calorie in my diet. I'm Deb's Life and I'm signing out. Hippo, baby.